8:38 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm XRP Future Millionaire, and I wanted to read this before we get into a little bit on the XRP charts, because we could actually have a little bit of a turnaround here, assuming we can hold these areas. But I always find it interesting when the Rockefellers are in the news. So if you don't know who they are, look them up. So Rockefeller International Chairman expresses confidence in Bitcoin's comeback. Ruchir Sharma, the chairman of investment management firm Rockefeller International, has expressed bullishness regarding Bitcoin's future as the cryptocurrency maneuvers the current bear market. Sharma believes that Bitcoin will make a comeback, but maintained that the cryptocurrency market needs to get rid of weak assets before rising again. He said during an interview with CoinDesk TV on July 8th. So that's telling you, he's telling you we're going down much farther in the grand scheme before we can ever have a huge bull run again. Sharma noted that the Federal Reserve policies are hurting Bitcoin and crypto in general, but stated that the current downtrend is part of the general growth trajectory. The strategist, who previously served as Morgan Stanley's chief strategist, acknowledged that the recent cryptocurrency rise has been a bubble, and once it bursts, Bitcoin will stand out. I disagree. We need the excess to get weeded out. Then we can see that emergence of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies as a steady asset, but now it is caught up in a speculative mania. It's just a matter of time, said Sharma. Bitcoin's future price movement. Sharma also compared the crypto market movement to the dot-com bubble that resulted in the emergence of giants like Amazon, NASDAQ, and well, we already said Amazon. According to Sharma, Bitcoin is fundamentally a good idea and with potential to become an alternative to the U.S. dollar dominance. He stated that the window of opportunity for Bitcoin to emerge as a key global currency is now open. However, he pointed out that the next 6 months will be crucial for the prospects of Bitcoin, especially based on monetary policies undertaken by governments. In this line, Sharma ruled out any Bitcoin bottom, noting the value will plunge further before rising again, which I 100% agree with that. I'm not willing to call the market bottom as of yet. On Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, the U.S. bear market regime, which is the driver of the risk appetite around the world, is still very much in play, he added. So not a bad article, not a bad at all. Just understand what they're saying. Okay, so now let's get into the charts after reading that article. So we have Bitcoin. It's trying to fight out of here in the 1 minute. It's very important that we get out of this section. It looks like we put in a bull flag from about 21,220 up to here, which could push us to about the top up here at about 21,407. But what happens after we get up there is the question. Are we starting something here? Did we overnight come down and form a bullish Gartley? Is that what's going on here? Was it a big shakeout? Because we've talked about this, we talked about it yesterday, and this very well looks like a bullish Gartley that's going to pull up here in the 30 minute. It really does. It looks like we got a nice pattern that could potentially form here if we get this hold of support. I see a whole day worth of push-ups if we can get this proper support. We've got ADA Cardano. If you watch my Dogecoin and You channel, you can get an update on that, but we are forming a bullish Gartley there as well. Litecoin was ahead last night, forming them, and then we had a nice dump. These are all in areas where we could potentially get a hold. The only issue that I have with Bitcoin is it going to form this Gartley here? And is it going to pull up and come up to 21,695? Or are we going to come down here and this is a fake out? We got to come down to 21,000. That's the bottom of the uptrending support. I like the area we're in right now. It's a tricky area. It's a very tricky area if it were to pull around here. That looks like a bullish Gartley with a fake out candle right now to the downside. But you never really can tell with the market manipulators. But we are getting supported on the 20-day and the 4-hour time frame. That's a very bullish sign. We've had 3 straight 4-hour candles that were pulled back up. We've turned into a squeeze candle now, and this is likely, if we don't pull down any farther, this would be the best possibility, best opportunity for you to get in right now to your local positions. It really looks like we could pump it up here, but I would not be surprised if we break down. For my Dogecoin and You army, I did take out a copy trade for ADA Cardano to see if that bullish Gartley plays out. If it doesn't, it's a $50 bet, and I'll eat it. And in case you're wondering, it's just a 20x trade on Cardano. It's all it'll let me do in the cross margin for Cardano. So that's what I did in USDT. And I'm just sitting on that this morning. We'll see what happens. If it goes down, it goes down. But I'm really trying to learn other sides of the markets. And we're trying to understand these patterns quicker and quicker, and there's no better way than putting it just a few dollars on it to understand when it moves up and down very quickly and understand where you might have been able to get in better, or maybe you could have waited, or maybe you should have got in earlier kind of thing. So we've seen Bitcoin. XRP is right around the range as well. It's at 33. Man, it's in such a good spot though. If XRP does manage to hold this 33,595 area, because that's where I targeted last night. We actually, the cool thing about what XRP did as well is the whole market could be doing a bullish Gartley turnaround. Look what XRP did in the 30. It actually came down here and formed a bullish Gartley. It really did. We came from 33,554 down to 33,526. So now let's move this down to the support we got at 33,520. Something tells me that this could actually come back up to 34,716. That's a bullish Gartley until it's not. And these, a lot of times, there can be fake outs, ladies and gentlemen. So these could be trapping the whole market. I completely acknowledge that. But as far as I'm concerned, if you were going to get in on a bullish Gartley, I mean, look at these. Even Ethereum, I believe, is right there. Ethereum is a little bit farther down. But if it pulls up, you can see the bullish Gartley. That's in proximity. If it were to pull up. And if it did, with Ethereum, and I'm all over the place right now because I want to see if these patterns hold, but you'd probably get something like that if it were to pull up. Let's go see XLM and DGB, and then I gotta go. I'm going to the farmer's market this morning, but I wanted to give you guys a update that actually made sense, give you a couple levels and some reasonings why we could break up. Yeah, I mean, let's go into the 30-minute again. See if everything's showing these same things. I mean, look at that. They all have Gartleys that are forming right now. These are right now if they pull up. Yes, they can be a giant fake out, but when you're buying technically, you're going to get caught in a bunch of fake outs and lose money in leverage trading because you've got to buy formations. And right now, this is a formation that you would technically buy. XLM is the same way. Holy shit, DGB the same. Look at this. If these really form, these are the epitome points on a Sunday morning of a bullish Gartley if they do reverse. If not, we're coming down to the next uptrend, and this would quickly fall down to about 991 area. But these are showing signs of a bullish Gartley formation. We're losing volume on the sell. This looks like a reversal starting to take place. We look like we could have a bullish reversal here this morning on a Sunday morning. I mean, I don't want to act like, you know, I don't want people to be like, oh my God, this is going to happen 100%, because it's not. But I'm saying that's what it looks like. But we're in a bear market, so sometimes they throw these traps out here to get us all excited, and then what happens? We all lose our money, and it goes down. XRP Future Millionaire, I'm not a financial advisor. Should you take my advice? Nope. But join me over on BitGet. Absolutely spectacular platform. I'm not logged in, but I'm going to show you what it looks like and show you the rewards that it offers. So it tells you get $4,163 in bonuses when you sign up. But if you use my link below, you get $5,000 in sign-up bonuses, depending on how much you sign up with. And then we also have, right now, and I've been talking to my representative, we have, and I've been trying to get them to add the Stellar wallet, and this is the stuff that I told them. XRP is business-to-business, Stellar is peer-to-peer, XLM, and the whole framework of the ISO is huge. It's the quickest way to transfer from one source to another, and it's the cheapest. And I told them, because they don't have the Stellar wallet, or so that you can go back and forth. And this is my Bitcoin giveaway. It's going to go active. It's not active yet, because it's today, I believe. But I switched it to July 10th. But one Bitcoin giveaway. If you sign up on BitGet and you complete your first time futures trading, 100 lucky traders will share one Bitcoin. But you have to sign up to my link, and it does not apply to anybody who's already signed up. So sign up in the video description below to be a part of the 100 Bitcoin the one Bitcoin giveaway to 100 members who sign up clicking on the link in my video description. Stay blessed, everybody.